April 2023, headed to the airport, Portland, Oregon, headed to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Well, here we are. We're at the Portland airport, and that's all I'm taking. Just a backpack with 3 days change of clothes.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Houston, where the local time is 10:47 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off.
On our way to the airplane to Puerto Vallarta. All right, we're leaving Houston, Texas. Beautiful farm country. Notice they're taking advantage, looks like, of a lot more of the square footage than a lot of places do that use the round sprinklers and stuff like that. Condos must be where all the tourists come to hang out. One after another. Let's say we're looking north right now. We're gonna be landing from of course, the land side of everything. Sayulita would be over the mountain over there. Rental outfit. Home Depot, Puerto Vallarta. Yeah, there's a tower crane over there. Alright, we got through customs, we got money at the ATM, so that was good. So they said walk out and take a left. You come from the airport entry, go out to the street here, you take a left, go up this bridge, go across, we'll find an Uber. So that's where you come out of the airport there and you walk down here to get up on this thing. rooftop view from the Luna Laquita in Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah, just bring that. Okay. Because I mean, we can't check until 4, it's a safe deal. I'd rather stay here, but I had to use them. For next time, we know.
That's okay.
Thank you so much.
That's a good place to watch the sunset. Quite a climb coming down through here. Courtyard. Got another kitchen common area downstairs. This is where they'll serve their breakfasts in the morning. Another common area kitchen that you can use. And this is one of the Tortuga rooms. So, and just shared restroom out here. And here's the lobby. All right, so Luna Laquita here, you gotta watch your step. But it's right there, 408, blue door. But if you walk down here, you can get yourself confused because the Uber might drop you off on this corner like they did us. So this is Calle Iturbide, I believe is where they said that. And that's 408 up there. But on this one, there's also one that says 408 right there. It's not that one. It's the one up here on the right. So you have to watch your step coming down through here. Just stay on the sidewalks.